Good morning, students. Students, as you know, we are in trigonometry. So, after completion of trigonometrical functions, let us start new topic: conditional identities. Conditional identities means you have to prove the identities or solve the identities under given condition. There are some identities which you have studied earlier is useful. See what are the identities useful. Just recall those identities. First one is sin C plus sin D. You know its value is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. The second one is sin C minus sin D, which is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. The third one is cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D, which is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. And finally, cos C minus cos D, which should be written as minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2, because we have taken minus initially. So these are the identities which are very useful for this topic. That means conditional identities. Now we are in position to solve some problems. See the first question. In triangle ABC, prove that sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c is equals to 4 sin A into sin B into sin C. This is your first identity for conditional part. First of all, see what is given. It is given that triangle ABC, means ABC are angles of triangle ABC. It means angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to pi. You know the sum of angles within a triangle is 180 degree. Now we start from LHS. In LHS we have sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. The first two terms we should apply the formula for sin C plus sin D. What is the formula? 2 sin C plus D by 2, 2A plus 2B by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Also, sin 2C should be written as 2 sin C into cos C. This is according to formula for sine 2 theta. Now 2 sine, here 2 should be taken as common in numerator and cancelled by these 2. So how much left? Sine A plus B into cos A minus B on the same pattern plus 2 sine C into cos C. So now see the children, it is given that A plus B plus C is equal to pi. So A plus B should be written as pi minus C. So here we write pi minus C instead of A plus B into cos A minus B plus 2 sine C. Now I write cos C. Cos C should be written as cos pi minus A plus B. Pi minus A plus B. Now sine pi minus C, sine 180 minus theta, that is sine theta. So we have 2 sine C into cos A minus B, 2 sine C cos 180 minus theta means minus cos theta. So it should be minus cos 180 minus theta, it is cos theta. So it should be written as plus minus cos A plus B. Now 2 sine C should taken as common between these two terms. So take out common 2 sine C. What is left? Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B minus cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Again expand this one, that is 2 sine C. This should be written as 2 sine C plus D, which is A plus B, by 2 into sine D minus C means A plus B minus A plus B by 2. Now simplify each of them. So 2 into 2, this becomes 4 sine C. Here minus and plus B should cancel. 2A by 2, which is A sine A. Similarly A and A should cancel. 2B by 2, that is B, means it is sine B. So we write it as 4 sine A into sine B into sine C, which is our RHS, hence the result. In this way we will prove the problems of conditional identities. Write down the next question. Your next question is, if A plus B plus C is equals to pi, then prove that if a plus b plus c is equal to pi, then prove that sine 2a minus sine 2b plus sine 2c is equals to 4 cos a into sine b into sine c, cos c. 4 cos a into sine b into cos c. Now again start from the LHS. Your LHS is sine 2a minus sine 2b plus sine 2c. Write these two terms within bracket and apply the formula for sine c minus sine d. Sine c minus sine d is 2 cos a plus b by 2, means 2a plus 2b by 2. Like as above, it should be a plus b into sine 2a minus 2b by 2, which is a minus b, and this is 2 sine c into cos c. This is according to the formula for sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta into cos theta. Now here a plus b on the same way should be written as pi minus c. This is sine a minus b. Here I am going to write convert sine c. C means pi minus a plus b. According to the given condition, pi minus a plus b, and cos c is already here. Now cos pi minus theta, you know it, that is minus cos theta. It means it should be minus 2 cos c into sine a minus b plus 2 sine pi minus a theta is sine theta, so it is sine a plus b into cos c. Now in between these two terms, you have to follow the same rule. Take out 2 cos c as a common. 2 cos c as a common. So we write sine a minus b minus sine a plus b. Sine c minus sine d means it should be 2 cos c into 2 cos a plus b by 2, means 2 cos a into sine a minus b by 2, means minus b. So it is sine minus theta is minus sine theta. It is 4 cos a into sine b into cos c. So just make a correction 4 cos A into sin B into cos C, which is your RHS. In this way we will prove the conditional identities. Now write down one more question, that is in triangle ABC. Just write down the question. In triangle ABC, prove that tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equals to tan A into tan B into tan C. See students, this is your question. In triangle ABC, prove that tan A into tan B into tan C is equals to tan A into tan B into tan C. This is very simple question. What is given? It is case of triangle ABC. So ABC means A plus B plus C, that is equals to pi, or A plus B should be written as pi minus C. Take tan into both sides. Now apply the formula for tan A plus B, which is equals to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B, and tan pi minus theta, that is minus tan theta, so it should be minus tan C. Multiply cross, then tan A plus tan B is equals to minus tan C plus tan A into tan B into tan C, and make this tan into left side becomes positive. Thus tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equals to tan A into tan B into tan C. So children, in this way we prove the conditional identities, problems from conditional identities. As soon as your class is over, I will give you some more problems from previous exercise, that is trigonometrical function, because some problems is still to be left for your practice and homework. So you solve them and submit it, and in next class we will proceed further problems from conditional identities. So you must submit the class assignment and home assignment which is given, which is provided you, as soon as possible. Thank you.